Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. So far, some important figures of Indian modern history have been discussed. Those who contributed much more towards their societies, seeking new light in the old lamp. Another leader who was the first INC president, Bomesh Chand Banerjee, is being discussed with some important MCQs in this video, which are vital for most of the exam. Now let's begin with the first question. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Option A Dadabhai Nauroji, Option B Surendranath Banerjee, Option C Bomesh Chand Banerjee, and Option D A.O. Hume. Which one is correct option? Please tell us. And correct option is option C Bomesh Chand Banerjee, who was first INC president. Now moving to second question. Who became the first Indian to be appointed as a standing counsel 4 times in his life? Option A Tej Bahadur Sapru, Option B Umesh Chand Banerjee, Option C Bagha Jatin, and Option D Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. And correct option is option B Umesh Chand Banerjee, who was appointed as a standing counsel not 1 time but 4 times in his life. Now moving to third question. The concept of party standing committees from each province in second Indian National Congress session was suggested by whom? Option A Dadabhai Nauroji, Option B Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Option C Bomesh Chand Banerjee, and Option D Subhash Chandra Bose. Which option is correct? Be careful before marking your answer. And correct answer is option C Bomesh Chand Banerjee, who suggested standing committees from each province in second Indian National Congress session, which was presided by Dadabhai Nauroji in 1886. Now moving to fourth question. Mark the correct option. First, he became the president of Indian National Congress twice in 1885 and 1892. He defended Surendranath Banerjee in contempt of court case of Calcutta High Court. Which option is correct? Option A only one, option B only two, option C both, option D none. Be careful before marking your answer. And option C both answer is correct, because he became the president of Indian Congress twice in 1885 and 1892, and he also defended S.N. Banerjee in contempt court of case. Now moving to fifth question. Choose the correct option. He contested election from Liberal Party in England for the House of Commons. Second, he was first Indian to contest election for British Parliament, but he was defeated. Which option is correct? Option A only first, option B only two, option C both, and option D none. And correct option is option C. He was first Indian to contest British parliamentary election but was defeated, and he contested from the Liberal Party for the House of Commons. Option C is correct. Now moving to second last question. The trio who established Indian Parliamentary Committee in 1893 were option A Dadabhai Nauroji, S.N. Banerjee, Umesh Chand Banerjee, option B Umesh Chand Banerjee, Badruddin Tayyab, Motilal Nehru, option C Umesh Chand Banerjee, Dadabhai Nauroji, and Badruddin Tayyab, and option D Dadabhai Nauroji, Tilak, and Aurobindo Ghosh. Which option is correct? Who established Indian parliamentary committees? And correct option is option C. Dadabhai Naoroji, Vomeshyan Banerjee, and Badruddin Tayyab, who established Indian parliamentary committees in 1893. Now moving to seventh question, which is last question. The London Indian Society in 1865 was founded by option A. Dadabhai Naoroji and S.N. Banerjee, option B. Vomesh Chand Banerjee and Dadabhai, option C. S.N. Banerjee and Vomesh Chand Banerjee, option D. Vomesh Chand Banerjee and Tilak. Which option is correct? And correct option is option B. Vomesh Chand Banerjee and Dadabhai Naoroji, who set up the London Indian Society in 1865 in Britain. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers. Follow our initiative, liking and subscribing our last mile approach videos.